Pandas/Python equivalent of complex ifelse match in R. My goal is to get the Pandas equivalent of the below R code. If the value in the nth row of column string underscore 1 of df1 equals the first column of df2 where the nth row of column string underscore 2 of df1 matches string underscore 2 of df2, then true in a new column string underscore 1 underscore check, else false in string underscore 1 underscore check. df1 has many instances of the same values in string underscore 1 and string underscore 2, and df2 only has one instance of each possible value in string underscore 1. String underscore 3 is not unique. With these sample data frames, the desired output would be I have tried np.where, isheen, pd.match, deprecated now, but haven't found a solution.
You can using map without change the order of your original df.
Assigning the value back to df1 like the original R you can do.
Assuming df2.string underscore 3 is unique, create a series out of df2 and use it in a map to compare against df1.string underscore 2. This will be fast considering map is constant time lookups compared to merge. In the event that df2.string underscore 3 is not unique, notice that op requires that we only concern ourselves with the row in which we find the first match from df1.string underscore 1. That means we can make df2.string underscore 3 unique by using drop underscore duplicates. Modified version for non-uniqueness. Use pd.dataframe.assign to create a copy of df1 that includes a new column. Timing. In this simulation, size of df2 is static. I didn't feel like modeling unique values. Code below.
Merge the two data frames and check if strings 1 and 3 match, edited to incorporate a suggestion by a Campion.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.